to how many people each side actually has and the kind of support it commands?
But with respect to timing as well, probably Sharad Pawar's camp had a disadvantage because they called their event later on, like 2 hours later, Ajit Pawar. But at least on the ground, with respect to party workers are concerned, there are party workers over here, but that kind of aggressive sloganeering against Sharad Pawar is not at all seen. All of them say we respect Sharad Pawar. We don't want to say anything negative about people who are there in Sharad Pawar camp. But it is quite opposite that Radhika has been seeing over there in the Sharad Pawar camp. They are very vociferously speaking against the Ajit Pawar camp. Now आपसे बात करेंगे कि आपने यहाँ पर विधायकों का नंबर देखा, कुछ आपने देखा विधायकों को यहाँ पे?
विधायकों का नंबर तो नहीं देखा, लेकिन 40 तो 45 होगा दादा के पास।
आपने किसी को देखा है दादा को छोड़कर या फिर छगन भुजबल को छोड़कर या एक दो को छोड़कर?
आमदार है ना इधर, बैठे हैं उधर।
We are saying that some of the MLAs are sitting in front as well, but till now the number that is being claimed by the Ajit Pawar camp, that is not yet reached. That we can confirm to our viewers as well. Now how many MLAs are sitting in front, that also will give a complete clarity to our viewers. By that, basically the entire stage is empty. There are around 11 chairs on the stage for 9 mantris and 2 senior leaders, that is Praful Patel and Mr. Sunil Tatkare. Now exactly how many MLAs have gathered here, that also will be very, very interesting to note, Siddharth.
Yes, Arunil, we'll keep coming back to you for all the updates from Bandra. That meeting is yet to start. Let me go across to Radhika, who's at the YB Chavan Center, following the developments within the Sharad Pawar camp of the NCP. Radhika, tell us about what's happening there, because that meeting is expected to start at 1 o'clock. How many MLAs have you yourself seen who've pledged allegiance to Sharad Pawar?
That's right, Siddharth. I'm at the YB Chavan Center and there has been overwhelming support for Sharad Pawar. As you can see, several hundreds and thousands have gathered here, sloganeering in support of Mr. Pawar. Many of them have gone inside. I can show you the scenes out here. Many of them staunchly in support of Sharad Pawar. They say that it's the ground support that's important.
त्यांचे मालकी हक्क पण तुम्ही घेऊन टाकले. त्यांनी स्वतः सांगितलं माझा फोटो नका वापरू, तरी मी स्टेजवर वापरताय.
परंतु जितेंद्र आव्हाडांची खासगी मालमत्ता नाही शरद पवार हे म्हणतात, ते बोलतात मी कोणात बोलणार आहे म्हणून असं विरोधक म्हणतात.
मी कधी म्हटलं? त्यांनी पत्रकारांना मुलाखती दिल्या आहेत.
सर कहीं ना कहीं बैनर पे उनकी फोटो भी यूज
बैनर की जो फोटो यूज की जा रही है सर, असं विचार पटत नाही ना तुम्हाला साहेबांचे? तुम्हाला साहेब नकोशे झालेत ना, कशाला वापरता फोटो, असं साहेबांचं म्हणणं आहे, माझं नाही.
सर हिंदी में जानना चाहेंगे, दिलीप पवार जी का आरोप तस्वीर इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, इस पर क्या कहना है कि कोई
पत्र दाखवलं तर राजकीय संन्यास घेईन म्हणतात?
पत्र म्हटलेलं नाही, ते माझ्या बाजूला बसले होते आणि तेव्हा ते म्हणाले जाऊ द्या, आपण सगळे जाऊया, शरद पवार साहेब एकटे राहतील, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही, आपण त्यांना समजूया, असं ते बोलले होते. म्हणजे होते.
एक आधे घंटे रह गए मीटिंग शुरू होने को लेकर, क्या कहेंगे?
आएंगे
और वहाँ पर विधायक का दावा है कि 43 विधायक अजीत पवार के साथ है, इस पर आपकी क्या?
हळूहळू आहे भूमी लागतो साहेब.
Okay, so that was Jitendra Awadh now entering the YB Chavan Convention Center, where of course the Sharad Pawar faction of the NCP will be meeting in about half an hour from now. People have already started gathering. Let me go back once again to Radhika. Radhika, prominent face within the NCP, Jitendra Awadh, who hails from Mumra, who represents the Mumra constituency, also making his way. Tell us about the number of MLAs that you have yourself seen who've pledged their allegiance to Sharad Pawar and are now at the YB Chavan Center.
Yes, Siddharth, overwhelming support here at YB Chavan Center. Number of supporters, but as far as number of MLAs are concerned, I have seen about 6 to 7 myself. However, most of the MLAs are taking the other gate and going NCP spokesperson, he has confirmed about 12 to 13 MLAs who've arrived so far. Of course, we have about 25 more minutes for the meeting to start. It may get delayed, but let me show you the scenes outside YB Chavan Center. आपको क्या लग रहा है, सपोर्ट कैसा होगा आज? सब एमएलए आएंगे? सपोर्ट के बारे में बताइए।
महाराष्ट्र का हर नागरिक शरद पवार साहब के साथ मजबूती से खड़ा हुआ है। जो ईडी के डर से वो हमारे खिलाफ हमारे बाकी है। आज पूरा महाराष्ट्र शरद पवार साहब से खड़ा है। हम मालेगांव जिले से आए हुए हैं। आसिफ शेख रशीद के नेतृत्व में राष्ट्रवादी शरद पवार साहब का समर्थन कर रहे हैं।
पहले ही पवार साहब ने क्लियर कर दिया, ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, लेकिन पूरा महाराष्ट्र इस कठिन परिस्थिति में पवार साहब के साथ खड़ा है। और ये 83 इयर्स का तरुण योद्धा आज महाराष्ट्र के लिए, देश के लिए ये प्रेरणा स्रोत है कि राजकीय परिस्थिति कैसे भी तैयार हो जाए, मैं आपके लिए खड़ा हूँ। पूरा महाराष्ट्र का दौरा पवार साहब कल से करेंगे। कल सातारा सांगली होके आए, देखिए यहाँ का माहौल और बताइए उन लोगों को जिन्होंने 83 इयर्स पवार साहब के साथ गद्दारी की है। पवार साहब आगे बढ़ो।
Astounding support for Sharad Pawar right here. Mr. Tapse, what's the number? You said 13 to 14 sometime back.
Currently, the number that I have is at 16 on top, 16 on the way, and none of the channels are showing what is happening. No. The numbers are very figurative. There is no showing of faces. Look at the crowd. Look at the MLAs who have started coming.
16 MLAs have reached so far and 16 on the way. Is that what you're saying?
16 on the way. They will come. Some will attend that, but eventually they will come here.
Okay, so that's the spokesperson Mahesh Sapase who has confirmed 16 MLAs here. I have seen about 8 to 9 so far. Many of them taking the back gate to go inside. He says many on their way. Sharad Pawar's entry is, of course, awaited at this point. I don't know if you're able to hear, but there are drums, a dhol, trumpets playing outside. Like an emphatic welcome to Sharad Pawar is what we'll be seeing in a few moments from now. This entire place is jam-packed. Thousands of supporters inside and outside of YB Chavan Center. So yes, as far as ground support is concerned, party cadres, party workers emphatically supporting Sharad Pawar, sloganeering in support of them. However, as far as the number of MLAs are concerned, we'll have to wait and see. But looks like Sharad Pawar may garner more support as compared to Ajit Pawar's camp.
Okay, Radhika, we'll turn our attention very briefly to what's happening in Bandra, where the Ajit Pawar faction has been holding a show of strength. Mr. Chhagan Bhujbal, who's of course very much part of the Ajit Pawar camp in this latest development, is now on stage. There are 11 chairs that have been placed on stage there that presumably will include the 9 MLAs who've taken oath as ministers from the Ajit Pawar camp, including Mr. Pawar himself, Ajit Pawar, and 2 other seats, one presumably for Mr. Praful Patel and the other for Mr. Sunil Tatkare, who the Ajit Pawar faction has appointed as the state president of the Nationalist Congress Party. So there, of course, you're witnessing currently the Ajit Pawar faction on stage being received by the cadre of the NCP. 11 chairs have been laid out, and we'll soon presumably see Mr. Ajit Pawar also come to the stage in a very short while from now as well. Remember that Mr. Ajit Pawar, Mr. Chhagan Bhujbal are long-time stalwarts of the Nationalist Congress Party. Let me in fact go across to Arunil immediately, who is in Bandra, where Ajit Pawar has been holding this meeting. Arunil, tell us about what's happening on stage right now. One by one, the MLAs who are part of the Ajit Pawar camp gradually trooping in on stage. Tell us about what's happening.
Basically, Siddharth, you can see on the stage is Mr. Ajit Pawar is also there. There is also Praful Patel who can be seen. In the second row, basically, are the MLAs that are standing over there. Front row obviously has 2 senior netas who are MLAs. One is Chhagan Bhujbal, one is Anil Patil, who is the chief whip, and another is Hasan Mushrif and Mr. Ajit Pawar. Front row has 4 MLAs and Narhari Girwal. 5 MLAs in the front row. other than that, behind in the second row, these are all MLAs that basically.
कार्यक्रम समजून सगळ्यांनी तेवढंच म्हणेन, कारण का घरगुती कार्यक्रम आहे त्याच्यामुळे थोडीशी गैरसोय झाली असेल तर मनापासून दिलगिरी व्यक्त करते. खरंच थोडीशी गैरसोय.
सर्व नेते या ठिकाणी येणार आहेत. आदरणीय पवार साहेब युवकांच्या मिरवणुकीने जल्लोषात या ठिकाणी येणार आहेत. तोपर्यंत आपल्या इथं काही कार्यकर्ते या ठिकाणी आपल्याशी संवाद साधणार आहेत. मी प्रदेश प्रवक्ते विकास लवंडे यांना विनंती करतो की त्यांनी काही थोडक्यात आपलं या ठिकाणी मनोगत व्यक्त करायचं.
Right, so the Sharad Pawar faction basically addressing the people who've gathered at the YB Chavan Center, saying that it'll just be a short while from now that Mr. Sharad Pawar will come and address the public. Supriya Sule, the daughter of Sharad Pawar, also spoke a short while ago. She apologized for any delay on the part of those who've gathered on stage, and she said that in any time from now the proceedings will actually commence. So this is inside the YB Chavan Center. We already, of course, saw the scenes outside where a lot of people have gathered showing solidarity with Mr. Sharad Pawar. And Mr. Mahesh Tapase, the spokesperson of the NCP, did say that 16 MLAs who are very much part of the Sharad Pawar camp have already gathered at the venue, and 16 more are on the way. That's entirely his claim. And now, of course, we're waiting for the proceedings to begin in the YB Chavan Center, where Supriya Sule very briefly addressed the public, saying that we thank you for your patience, and just in any moment from now Mr. Sharad Pawar will be arriving here, and that's when all the proceedings will begin.